Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're making a simple steamed fonio that you can eat with your stews or your sauces. The first thing we're going to do is mix the fonio with some water just to get it a bit moist so that the steaming process is made a bit easier. And because I don't have a steamer but I want to get this steamed, all I have to do is get some water boiling, put a colander on top of that, and then put my fonio mix in there and then let that steam. Now while that is steaming, occasionally you get a fork and just mix it up a bit so that everything is still nice and loose. And you're going to know that your fonio is done once you don't taste that raw flour. And once you see that all the fonio has an even color, you know that it's done. We want to put some more flavor in there because I just mixed it with water and a little bit of salt. And for that, I fried some garlic, onion, and thyme in some coconut oil and then mix that with the steamed fonio. You're not trying to fry it, you're just trying to infuse the flavors in there. Once that's done, it's a beautiful side that you can use. Like I said before, you can even use this in a salad. And if you watched my last video, I made a chicken schnitzel with a mushroom and peppercorn sauce, and this is the side that I served with the dish. So that's about it. This is a really short video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you will try and experiment with fonio. Happy eating!